Hello and welcome. Today my name is Victory and I'm going to be showing you how to create React functional component.
Alright, so JavaScript functional component are simply JavaScript functions that can accept an object of properties known as props and can return HTML known as JSX. Alright, so to begin with, I've actually cleared everything we have here. So and I'm going to create a new component right now. So right here, I'll right click and the name of our component is going to be greetings. Okay, greetings.jsx. Alright, so right here, I'm going to import React. Okay. So the next thing, I'm going to create our function component. So the way we do is like this. So right here, I'm going to return hello world. It's a great day. Right, so once we do this, the next thing we're going to export this component. So the way we create a function component, we use the keyword function and the name of our function being greetings, okay, which we can also call it the name of our component, and then we have a return here. So I will export this so that we can actually use it in our app.jsx. Okay, so exports default, okay, and it's going to be greeting. Alright, so save this and proceed over here. So I'm going to import this, import greeting. Okay, so it has automatically done that for me, and I'm going to call the component here. So it's going to be a self-closing tag. I'll save this and let's check it out on our browser. Alright, so if we have here hello world, it's a great day. Now I'm going to show you another way we can do it with the arrow function. Okay, so I'm going to make some edits here. So I will take this out and we can use this cons greeting. So we use the fat arrow function here. You can still proceed to H1 hello world. It's a great day. So save this and let's check it out. So it gives us the same outcome. Alright, thank you very much. That is how we create functional component.
Hello, I believe you really enjoyed that guide, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you some other time.